Would you love to have people from the US, UK, Canada, Australia watching your video anytime you upload here on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you ways to get views from these first world countries. As always, no gatekeeping. Firstly, I'm going to show you my dashboard to show you where my views are coming from. Secondly, I'm going to explain to you and let you know why it is important. Why should you even get views from this country? Secondly, I'm going to show you why you should target these first world countries, because I know you'll be thinking, why is it important for me to target UK, US, Canada? What's the big deal about them? I'm going to also explain to you in this video. And finally, I'll be showing you proven ways to get views from these countries. 3 and 4 are my favorite. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Welcome back, lovelies. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Stella. If you're returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And if you're just a new subscriber seeing me for the first time, welcome. Please don't forget to indicate in the comment section so we can welcome into our family and join this awesome community. Here, look at my dashboard. You see a ton of people watching my videos are from the US. You can see this one from the UK. Why should you target these first world countries to watch your videos? Firstly, I'm going to talk about increased ad revenue. Just so you know, a creator from African country are not making as much as what these creators in first world countries are making. A creator from Nigeria is not making the same thing as what a creator from the US is making. Now, this is because of something called CPM and RPM. CPM is the amount that advertisers pay YouTube, while RPM is the amount that YouTube pay the YouTuber for using their page to advertise this ad. I don't know if you understand. CPM is money from the advertisers. Then out of the money from the advertisers, YouTube will now give the creator, that's RPM, per 1k views. If people watching your videos mainly are countries that are not really developed or are countries that are underdeveloped, the CPM and the RPM that YouTube tend to pay you are quite low because of this country's purchasing power. The money that advertisers will start paying will be much, because the more money advertisers pay, the more money YouTube is going to pay you. So if advertisers pay a small amount of money for a video, that means YouTube is going to pay you even smaller amount of money for that video. But if your people watching your videos is your subscribers, and if your traffic is coming from these very developed countries like the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, your CPM is going to be high, making your RPM to be high and making you make more sponsorship opportunity. Brands are willing to pay more to creators that are in these first world countries, or creators that the people that are watching their content are from these world countries, because they know that people in this country are more financially buoyant. So when brands reach out to you, they pay more, because they know the audience, your audience, are people that are going to patronize them. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So it just makes sense if whenever you want to do a brand collaboration, that's when you are meant to show this brand your views, your algorithm, just to show them your analytics, so they know, okay, this is like your capability, this is your engagement, and this is why they should work with you. So when they see where your traffic is coming from, where people watch your video more, and this is the US, the UK, obviously every reasonable brand will want to partner with you, because of they know that your audience are people that are going to patronize them more than countries that are really underdeveloped. And then we're going to talk about audience engagement and purchasing power. If your viewers are from these countries, obviously your engagement is going to be more and your purchasing power is going to be more. If I come here and I say I'm selling a course for like $50, and my audience are people that maybe are from countries that they are really struggling, countries that are underdeveloped, obviously $50 is going to be huge, because by the time they convert it currency, the difference is going to be much. So it just makes so much sense that people from the first world countries are more financially buoyant to be able to buy courses, to be able to support you, to be able to even gift you. If you even notice on like live, the majority of people that gift creators mostly are people from these countries. Let's just be sincere. I'm not saying that other people don't gift though, but I say when we're doing the statistics, it is mostly people from these first world countries. Now that you know the reason to target people from these first world countries, let's talk about how to get these views coming from this country. The first secret is to pick a niche that appeals to the Western world. You cannot be saying that you want to attract people from this first world country and the niche or the kind of video topics you put up at least that do not relate to them. You can't put video of like other sources of electricity, like using generator. Something like that is going to work well in countries that don't have electricity, developed, underdeveloped countries. But first world countries, you can't put videos like that and expect them to watch it, because something like electricity is not a big deal for them. The topic you talk about determines who watches your content. There are certain topics that people from the UK, US will really love engaging. So when picking up a niche or a topic, make sure you pick topics that is something that they'll engaging. You have to look for niches that are popular and profitable in these regions. Example of niches like that are make money online, passive income, finances and investment, luxury and real estate, self-improvement, mental health, and tech review and DIY. The second secret to attracting views from this fast world countries is posting your videos at the right time. You already know that there is a difference in the time zone. I mean, when it's afternoon here, there are some countries right now that are night where they are. So if your goal is to post videos for people in the US, post video when people in the United States they are active, not when they are about to go to bed or when they are sleeping. This is the best time to post in the US and in the UK. You have to post when your target audience is active. The third and a very important secret in attracting viewers from the United States, from the United Kingdom, from Canada is your settings. There is a button you will click while uploading your videos that will help push your videos or recommend your videos to people in a certain geographical location. While uploading, you have to turn on this function, but the downside to this is that you have to target a particular country at a time. You cannot just post it then all these first world countries are going to see it. You have to target particular countries at a time. If it's the United States, you want to see this particular video, you are going to set it for that. If it's the United Kingdom, if it's Canada, if it's Australia, whatever, you are going to target it one video per time. So let me show you how to do that in your dashboard.
Firstly, we are going to go to our YouTube studio and select the video. So I've already selected a video. Okay, so I'm going to select a video, then press the edit icon. So now that we are here, we'll just scroll down to dates and location. Add when and where your video was recorded. Viewers can search by location. Then you see this video location here. We come here and we'll come and write United States, USA, and don't forget to save it. That's how you add locations to your videos.
Another important secret is collaborating with creators from this region. It is not news that collaboration is one of the ways to grow on YouTube. So if you collaborate with creators from this region, their audience from the country of residence are also going to watch your videos and go as far as even subscribing to your channel. Another bonus point, you can also advertise your channel in platforms that has the UK, the US, the Canada. You can advertise your channel on Reddit. You can advertise your channel on Facebook groups popular in the UK and the US. Facebook groups like UK small group owners, United Kingdom YouTube creators. You can advertise your channel. You can join Facebook groups like that. There you have it. If your RPM is low, the reason is where your views are coming from. If you want to increase your ad revenue, this is a powerful secret, so implement it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have a question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be just answer your question.